out to all the sisters and brothers. Please take the time to
Perfect.
listen to another
Delicious.
episode.
All right, let's talk about this green juice right here. Simple, refreshing, and packed with benefits. This combo isn't just tasty, it's powerful. Green juice like this one is known to help flush out toxins, give your digestive system a break, and even tighten the stomach when used consistently during a juice cleanse. It's great for weight loss, fat burning, and curbing your appetite naturally. If you are trying to reset your body or start fresh, this is a great place to begin. Let's get started.
The apples, ginger, celery sticks, and lemon.
First thing we're going to add to the juicer is the green apples. They add clean sweetness and help your body digest and detox naturally. There you can see the juice coming out. It's going to be tasting so delicious. And next, we're going to be using this cucumbers. So it has the super hydrating, low in calories, and great for your skin. We just chop them up and add them to the juicer for easy juicing. Now's the ginger, just a little piece. That's all you need for the ginger. But with that ginger, it's going to boost your metabolism and calms inflammation. Now we're going to be adding in the celery. That's right, the celery is next. It helps reduce bloating, flushes out toxins, and is loaded with minerals. We put the whole stalk in there. And look at the juice coming out. There it is. Looking good. And of course, last but not least, we're going to add in some lemon, fresh with vitamin C, immune support, and an extra zinc. Now we're going to add this to the jar, and now you see that the juice is all up and it looks good, and that color is light and vibrant and full of life. Whether you're doing a full-on juice fast or just adding this to your morning routine, this juice is the clean, natural way to fuel your body and feel good from the inside out.
Perfect. Delicious. You can taste all the flavors. You can taste the apple, the ginger, the celery, the cucumber, and the lemon. And it's defined, but it's together like harmony. Cheers to health. And if you like this video, make sure you watch this video right here. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love.
The African queen, Noreen, comes to share wisdom and knowledge and do some plant potting.